What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Soul 3 from Cricket Wireless. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have the Galaxy Soul 3 right here, as you guys already know. I did pay $120 for this, $130 if we count tax, so a little bit over $130 after tax and everything was said and done. But we have the Galaxy Soul 3 right here. Let's go ahead and open this up, and we do have some specifications right here. It says we have the Android operating system. It doesn't say if we have Oreo or whatever, but I'm guessing we have Oreo in here, or Nougat at the very least. We also have a 5-inch 720p display. We have an 8 megapixel rear and 2 megapixel front facing camera, 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor, 2600 milliamp battery, HD voice, and we have Wi-Fi calling in here as well. So far pretty weak specifications for the price that's here. You can get a way better phone for the same price if we went to Metro PCS or whatever, but let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright guys, let's put the lip up right here and pull out the tray. Alright guys, so we have the Soul 3 right here. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Alright, we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and put that down. Next thing we have in the box is a start guide. We have our terms and conditions, more terms and conditions, and another quick start guide. We also have our Cricket SIM card as well. We have the 2600 milliamp battery. We have a micro USB cable, and we have our travel adapter. Alright guys, let's go ahead and slide the phone out. And honestly, so far, the color is really nice on this device. We have a new and refreshing look on this device. Kind of looks like a Galaxy S9, I would say, honestly, if I were to compare it to something. We have a Cricket logo on the back, Samsung logo on the back as well. If we're talking about the color, it's like a bluish platinum. I'm not really sure, but it's definitely plastic. Back of it is plastic. But the cool thing is we do have removable back. So we went ahead and looked at the back of the device. Next, on the right side of the device, we have our power button as well as our speaker. I know it's kind of weird to some other people, but I've seen this on other Samsung devices such as the Amp Prime 3. So not really far off from other Samsung devices. Also, left side of the device, we have our up and down volume button. Very clicky and tactile, and there is a space between them, so I love when they do that. Other buttons we have are the recent button. The recent logo actually is changed, if you guys didn't know. It used to be something else, but we also have the home button, and we have the back button right here as well. Taking a look at the top, it looks like we have our headset. Just under that, a Samsung logo. We also have a proximity sensor, it looks like, and we have our 2 megapixel front facing camera. Top of the phone, we have a noise canceling mic. Bottom of the phone, we have another noise canceling mic. We have our micro USB port, and we have a 3.5 millimeter head jack. But let's go ahead and boot up this device. I'm excited to see what's up. Again, this is going to be an HD screen, so that is 720p, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so the phone is now booted up. We're going to go ahead and go to the software version right here. As you guys can see, we do have Android 8.0. So we have Android Oreo on this device straight out of the box. Hopefully we'll get updates if you do purchase this phone. We do have some bloatware on here from Cricket, so we have My Cricket, visual voicemail. If you guys want to go ahead and go into your other applications, it's pretty cool. You can just swipe up and it goes into your applications. Obviously we have some other bloatware right here like Next Radio, Samsung Plus, but that all comes with a phone, so not too much bloatware. Pretty nice and minimalistic. They pretty much left all that crap out other than the 2 Cricket applications. But we're gonna go ahead and take a picture really quick with the rear facing camera and the front facing camera. I'd really like to see how good this is. Let's go ahead and cancel. And let's take a picture. Okay, so we have a picture right here. Colors actually look pretty good. We also have a nice feature on here that if you swipe up, you can get all the information on this picture, the size, the date you took the picture, the resolution, as you guys can see, but pretty nice quality. It looks like we have a very high contrast camera, but it looks very nice, honestly, for a $120 phone. The other thing we have on here is a full view display for the camera. So if you want full view and we want to take up the whole screen, we do have full view, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and take a picture with the full view camera on. Boom. Focus is pretty fast. Detail is actually really good. Really good detail on this photo. Yeah, camera is definitely pretty decent. We also have the option to shoot in full HD, so that's 1920 by 1080p. 720 VGA 1x1, so it's pretty cool stuff on here. We also have the option to shoot in 8 megapixels at 4x3, 6 megapixels at 16x9, and 6 megapixels at 1x1, so pretty cool stuff in the camera section. We also have other things in here such as the timer, grid lines, location tags, review pictures, different cool stuff. We also have a floating camera button, so it adds an extra camera button that you can move anywhere on the screen so you guys can, you know, take different selfies. But let's go ahead and take a selfie really quick. Oh, it says hold your hand out with your palm facing the camera to have your picture taken after a few seconds. All right, so let's go ahead and try that. Hold your palm out facing the camera. Oh, that's dope. And then it sets a little timer and it takes a picture. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, we're gonna test out that camera later on, but cool stuff. It looks like we also have a skin tone, slim face, and large eye mode if you guys want to go ahead and use any of those. So all you have to do is click on that and you can use any of those features. Pretty cool. Yeah, so far this phone looks pretty solid for $120. Honestly, you can get a better phone for $120, but if you guys are wanting a Samsung device, you can obviously pick up this from Cricket, but I'll probably do a more in-detail review on this. Obviously, this is just the unboxing and first impressions. Pretty cool phone so far. I honestly, personally wouldn't pay $130 for it almost, but if you guys want to shell out that kind of money for a phone like this, then you guys can go ahead and do so. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Soul 3. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.